Teaching your dog commands in another language is a great way for you to practice your chosen language in and around your home. More so, teaching your dog commands in another language ensures only you have full control of your dog and no one else. This is ever popular within the police and military in English-speaking countries, whereby German commands are commonly used. Another reason to choose to train your dog in a foreign language is that if, God forsake, your dog is ever stolen, it's more likely to be returned if they cannot communicate simple instructions to the dog. In this episode, we will be covering 20 simple commands to teach your dog. So without further ado, let's jump right in and start. The word is Steh, which in German is
Bleib.
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
Bleib.
Again, the word is
Bleib.
The word is bark, which in German is
Gib laut,
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
gib laut,
Again, the word is
gib laut,
The word is jump, which in German is
Hopp,
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
Hopp,
Again, the word is
Hopp,
The word is up, which in German is
Steh,
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
Steh,
Again, the word is
Steh,
The word is down, which in German is
Platz,
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
Platz,
Again, the word is
Platz,
The word is outside, which in German is
Raus.
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
Raus.
Again, the word is
Raus.
The word is go toilet, which in German is
aufs Klo,
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
aufs Klo,
Again, the word is
aufs Klo,
The word is give me your paw, which in German is
Pfote,
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
Pfote,
Again, the word is
Pfote,
The word is heel, which in German is
Fuß,
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
Fuß,
Again, the word is
Fuß,
The word is sit, which in German is
Sitz.
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
Sitz.
Again, the word is
Sitz.
The word is come here, which in German is
Hier,
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
Hier,
Again, the word is
Hier,
The word is fetch, which in German is
bring,
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
bring,
Again, the word is
bring,
The word is attack, which in German is
Fass,
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
Fass,
Again, the word is
Fass,
The word is leave, which in German is
Weg.
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
Weg.
Again, the word is
Weg.
The word is drop, which in German is
aus,
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
aus,
Again, the word is
aus,
The word is lay down, which in German is
legen,
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like
legen,
Again, the word is
Legen.
The word is quiet, which in German is.
Ruhig.
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like.
Ruhig.
Again, the word is.
Ruhig.
The word is faster, which in German is.
Schneller.
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like.
Schneller.
Again, the word is.
Schneller.
The
word is look at me, which in German is.
Angucken.
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like.
Angucken.
Again, the word is.
Angucken.
The word is stop it, which in German is.
Pfui.
This word pronounced more slowly sounds like.
Pfui.
Again, the word is.
Pfui.
Whilst you're here, don't forget to subscribe and leave any comments below. Thanks for watching.